In the world of gymnastics, breaking barriers is no easy feat. But for Lynnzee Brown, making history comes naturally. Born and raised in the United States, Lynnzee always felt a deep connection to her Haitian heritage. And now she's bringing that connection to the global stage. Lynnzee Brown, representing Haiti at the World Championships, is a dream come true for me. I want to inspire young Haitian athletes to chase their dreams, no matter where they come from. Competing against the world's best gymnasts, Lynnzee showcases her incredible talent and determination. Her grace, strength, and precision leave audiences in awe, proving that no obstacle is too big to overcome. But Lynnzee's journey is about more than just gymnastics. It's about breaking down barriers, inspiring others, and representing her heritage with pride. Lynnzee Brown, making history as the first gymnast to compete at the World Championships from Haiti. A true inspiration to us all. So that's all for today's video. If you like it, click the like and bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.